स्पेक्युलेशन करताले म्हाका सांगपाक बरें दिसता की पणजे 70% वयर वोटींग जालां 15,538 अकॉर्डिंग टू ओवर फिगर इलेक्शन कमिशनच्या फिगरान एक 2-4 मतांचो फरक आसा आमी फोनाचेर घेतला आनी 1.79.2 जाला indicating that people have responded to the campaign we have done आणि आमकां खात्री आहा की दोनूय जाग्यार सबस्टेन्शियल मार्जिनान विरोधकांक आमी ट्राउन्स करतले तो प्रेस रिपोर्टर असल्यामुळे तुमच्या अजिबात रिस्ट्रेन दवरपाक आयलो ना पण तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें चित्र पणजेचें त्यामुळे म्हाका दिसता तुमच्या मनान कांय दुबाव आसचो ना मार्जीन हांव स्पेक्युलेट करना कारण 28 तारखेक कळटलेच पण ह्या इलेक्शनान बरेच लोक मोरया जावपाचे आहा ते 28 तारखेक कळटले एक गजाल हांव म्हाका सांगूंक सोदता की आमी पेशन्स दवरले हांव चीफ मिनिस्टर असल्यामुळे अत्यंत सोशिकतेन हांव रावलो खंय दुसरे कडेन आशिल्ले जाल्यार हांव क्रॅक डावन करतलो काँग्रेसीन अत्यंत बेकायदेशीरपणे पयलींच्यान इलेक्शनाची 48 वरां आसतना एक इलेक्शन कमिशनचे सर्क्युलरा आमदार मंत्री पदाधिकारी पक्षाचे ज्या मतदारसंघान इलेक्शन आसा वोटींग त्या मतदारसंघात तांच्यांनी रावणे हे बेकायदेशीर आसा हे सर्क्युलर इलेक्शन कमिशनचे क्लियर आसा आनी हे सिनियर लोक असल्यामुळे काँग्रेसच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांक खबर आसूंक जाय आनी ज्या पद्दतीन ते कोण ते पुटिनो कोण नाव प्रतिमा पुटिनो ज्या पद्दतीन भोंवताले जणू काय ताणें विकत घेतलेल्या भशेन पडली हांव जर तूं कॅन्डिडेट नाशिल्लो जाल्यार खंयच्या थंय जावन पुलिसी काडून एक्शन हांवें पेशन्स दवरले इलेक्शन कमिशनाक आमी कंप्लेन केल्ली आसा लेट इलेक्शन कमिशन टेक द एक्शन अगेन्स्ट दीस व्हेरी एरोगंट काँग्रेस वर्कर्स एकूच न्हय जवळ प्रत्येक बुथाचेर जे कोण आशिल्ल्यांचे ते सगळे भांगरे आशिल्ले लोक पणजेंतलो एकूय भितर कार्यकर्तो जवळ जवळ निग्लिजिबल म्हणजे सगळ्या हातून म्हाका 10-15 वयर पणजेचे लोक दिसले ना काँग्रेसच्या बुथांचेर अशा प्रकारची डेमोक्रेसीच्यो गजाली करणारे लोक व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो नाझिझमचे सारखे सर्क्युलरा घुसवणारे लोक तांच्यांनी हे आपूण विसरतात तांच्यांनी इमर्जन्सी जातलेली ह्या देशाचेर आनी आयज ज्या पद्दतीन वागल्या त्या पद्दतीन हांची गुंडगिरी कशी आहा गुंडगिरीच करताले तुमी पळयलां आसता थोड्या सम मिडिया हॅज सीन इट ऑल्सो ती म्हाका दिसता पद्दत हे कितले डेस्परेट जाल्या सत्ते भायर रावन हे लक्षात येता आनी आमी डिमांड केला इलेक्शन कमिशनाक की तांच्यांनी हाजेर कारवाई करची
कंप्लेंट एक्झॅक्ट कितें म्हणटा
भायल्या मनशाक येवपाक येना तुमचे सर्क्युलर जे तुमी डायरेक्शन दिल्ले ते वायलेट जाला सो देर हॅज टू बी क्रिमिनल केसीस फायल्ड अगेन्स्ट सच पर्सन म्हणजे इलेक्शन कमिशनान सो मोठो करूंक जाय मुख्य गजाल हांव आनीक सांगूंक सोदता की इतलेंच न्हय आनीकूय अनेक अटेम्प्ट जाले वेगवेगळे तुमकां थोडे खबर आहा थोडी सर्क्युलरां कोणाच्या नांवाचेर कोणे लेख बरयले खंय हांव लेखाचे सगळे एनालिसीस आतां करिना पण त्या लेखान कितल्यो चुकीच्यो गजाली आहा ह्यो दाखोवंक गेले धरतू जाल्यार लोक हांसतले पण ताजेर हांव कॉमेंट करना पेपराचेर हाजे टीव्हीचेर हाजेर आमच्या इंटरनेटाचेर सोशल मिडियाचेर बोगस बातम्यो एक न्हय 2 न्हय 3 न्हय जवळ 8 काय 9 बोगस बातम्यो हाडल्यो कोण तरी पणजेक स्टिकर्स हे इलेक्शन म्हणजे 48 वरां नंतर म्हणजे पयलीं कितें लायलेलें समजून स्टिकर लायत भोंवताले तरेतरेच्या प्रकरणां चालू आशिल्ली डेली बेजीसचेर वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली चालू आशिल्ल्यो त्यो ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली हांवें फक्त इतल्याकूच सोंसल्यो की हांव चीफ मिनिस्टर असल्यामुळे फाल्यां कोणाक संदी नाका बोटां दाखोवपाक म्हजे कडेन. पण आतां इलेक्शन सोंपलें त्यामुळे हांव इतलेंच हें करता की इलेक्शन कमिशनान हाचे कारवाय करची ह्या सगळ्या गजाली. वी हॅव ऑलरेडी लॉन्च कंप्लेंट्स टू देम. There are certain issues which I have written confidentially to Election Commission, which also I want them to investigate, and if they don't reply me by the time code is over, I will release the documents to you. There are issues which were very serious according to me, which Election Commission did its duty on. I am not blaming Election Commission, but there were attempts to sabotage the elections, which needs to be investigated, because the finger points at certain areas where these people has to be brought to, where you cannot, though no crisis happened, and Election Commission's very positive action in detecting certain issues was very good, which I also say that they did their duty properly. But the attempt is itself a very big, serious issue. So I'll wait for them for 7 days. If they don't do any investigation, we have lodged the party has lodged the complaint yesterday. At this stage, I have lodged it confidentially. I do not want to disclose the nature of complaint. But if they don't act on it, Commission, where I am making it very clear, I am not blaming Commission. They have done their duty, which we have written in the complaint. And because they were diligent and alert, some mischief was avoided. But the attempt itself is a very serious, according to me.
Sir. Do you think that this election has not been fairly fought in fair way?
No, from my side, I have done all what is in the fair. There was no incident when someone had to complain about it. So that means if the opponent who is so vocal, they had nothing other than some casino boards or some that board which is now High Court made it very clear to him. I am happy about it. What is that? Lucky 7. They were only taking photographs with these boards. Probably now they will be like a loser coming out of those boards. Same thing happened in Uzgaon. Lot of people from Fonda were brought into Uzgaon. खुद एक सिनियर मनीस जो म्हाका सगळे नॉर्म्स खबर आहा की इलेक्शनान कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन वतना तो केळी घेवपाक फोंडाची केळी ती हांव नको ती केळी घेवपाक थंय गेलो म्हणजे जणू काय फोंड्यान मेळना केळी. Other side had no traction. The traction, if you see, I will just read out certain booths.
Yeah.
If you see, I will tell you. Booth Bogdawak, for example, 83% voting. Alto Santinez, 78% voting. So if I take out my stronghold booths, the voting is 77, 78, 75, 74 on the plus side. Voting has been pulled down by booths where we are not that strong. So our voters have come out. 26 60% झाला, 27 65% झाला, 28 63% झाला, 29 59% झाला. म्हणजे ओपोनंटाक ज्या जाग्यार वोटां आशिल्ली त्या जाग्यार वोटिंग पर्सेंटेज 60च्या ±3% झाला. आणि आमकां ज्या जाग्यार वोटिंग बरी आशिल्लें त्या जाग्यार 75 ±3%. These 5-6 booths where I was not so strong, for example, 12 number, 64 voting. So I am not very strong in 12. Yeah, it's a fact, historical fact. In fact, even 2012, the only booth where I trailed was 12. There the voting is 60 ±4, whereas my booths are 75 ±4.
You think that this
Actually, it has been brought up to 70%. because of booths where we are strong. Otherwise, it would have dropped to 65%.
You think there will be impact on the margin which you...
Obviously. And even in this booth, what we find that our supporters have come out intact. So the lower voting is disgusting behavior by coconut.
But चौथीचा impact झालो मातसो.
ना चौथीचो आलो जाल्यार बोगदो वागान जातलो. चौथीचो आलो जाल्यार शांतीने जालो तो शांतीने जातलो असलो. चौथीचो आलो जाल्यार मळ्यान जातलो असलो. These are the areas where चवथ actually counts. म्हणजे लोक वतात भायर मोठ्या प्रमाणात. त्यामुळे ह्या जाग्यार 78, 79, 83 doesn't indicate that there is any. In fact, our people are reporting that आमच्या 95% वयर आमचे वोटर भायर सरले. म्हणजे ते वोटिंग करून गेले किंवा वोटिंग करून घरा परते आयले ते हांव सांगपाक सोदलें. पण वोटिंग केलें
दोन्हीकडे शांततापूर्ण दिसता.
शांततापूर्ण जाल्याचे कारण आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी रिस्ट्रेन करून नाजाल्यार काही जाण ज्या पद्दतीन वागताले ते मुद्दम करताले. त्यामुळे हांवें सगळ्यांक सांगलेलें म्हाका मारामारी बी नाका कळोवपाक. इवन आतां हे प्रतिमाची मॅटर आहा पळय तातूंत सुद्दां त्या आंगार बिंगार सिद्धार्थाच्या आंगार गेले. ताचे पयलीं कंप्लेन कशी करूंक शकता. शी कॅनॉट बी इन द I have told election commission that she cannot be present here. You first arrest her because of that. You come all the way in your house and then complain. They don't realize she has not complained. Election agent has complained.
What number did you do?
What number? Booth number to 28. But it is not she who has complained. The election agent or the candidate has complained. If I take it as true, I will have to. The police will have to first take action against her for having entered the constituency, which everyone has seen. तू पयली बेकायदेशीर गजाली करता आनी मागीर लोकांक म्हणजे तू रॉंग सायडीक येता आनी मागीर एक्सिडेंट जालो हो कसलो न्याय.
सर सीरियसली नहीं किया है इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ने एक बार बाइपोल दोनों को बहुत इंसिडेंट हुआ है उसके लिए सीरियसली कुछ एक्शन नहीं ले रहे ऐसा लग रहा है.
नहीं मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा. मैंने कहा जो हमारा भी एक कॉन्फिडेंशियल कंप्लेंट जो है उस मामले में मैंने आपसे सीधा कहा कि इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज डन इट्स ड्यूटी परफेक्टली. आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विथ व्हाट इलेक्शन कमीशन did to correct the wrong thing which were going in a wrong direction. But how they were going in wrong direction needs to be investigated. Na? Why things were going wrong? That needs to be investigated. That is what we have demanded in our conference. We don't want to make the letter public only because we feel that election commission has done its duty. I am not blaming any officer or anyone. So they have done their job, but they have to investigate how things were going wrong.
सर बट कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट हुआ बाद में क्योंकि पोस्टर ऐसा लगा
अरे जब आप जीतते हैं ना तो ऐसे चीजों में आप ज्यादा ये नहीं करते. और हम जीतने जा रहे हैं ह्यूज मार्जिन से तो हमारे मुंह से क्यों बुरा चीज निकाल रहे हैं. ऐसे माफ करना चाहिए.
Sir, one thing, the church report or fact-finding report came just a couple of hours before the election. Do you think that it was politically motivated?
You have to take view on that.
But
For me, it doesn't make any difference because it's not a criminal investigation. Police has done criminal investigation and police has enough evidence of what they have done. They will file charge sheet very soon and they will prove it in the court of law. The fact will be before you on the table once the police file the charge. Baki, we will take cognizance of any document given by anyone. Even if you send some report, we take cognizance of it. It may be true, it may not be. It may be from your thinking or your information.
फाटले 5 इलेक्शन परस हे चड डिफिकल्ट दिसले इजी दिसले. फाटले 5 इलेक्शन
म्हाका इलेक्शन केन्नाच हांवें इजी घेवन ना. पण म्हाका इलेक्शन खंयचेच म्हाका टेन्स केन्नाच जावंक ना. हांवें सी यू आर नॉट रियलायझिंग वन व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॅक्टर that this election there were no other elections simultaneously. Still I went to Walkoi 2 days. Normally when I fought Panji, I fought across Goa. So right from 2000 onwards, once I became Chief Minister, I was a star campaigner for the state. So when general election, I used to go to all for 35 or 32 constituencies. Today, this time, I had only 2 constituencies. Again, Balapai is quite good, so I did only 2-3 public meetings, that's all. Nakapodi I met, I wanted good percentage people to come out. Now, by going and meeting them, they were enthusiastic enough to come out and vote. The result you can see today. Otherwise, voting would have been another 8-10% down. They had no reason to vote for any of the opponents. No, they had no. See the ZP. Same booth where today we have 626 votes. In ZP election, in spite of being a Sunday, the voting was 461 in this booth. Same booth. 1 number booth covers my constituency and ZP constituency. It was a common area, booth number 1. There was voting of 461 and today there are 626. So you can make the difference in more. How did it happen? It happened because I conducted 3 small meetings there, each attended by about 100 people. So automatically there was more enthusiasm. They came out for voting for me.
सर मुख्यमंत्र्यांक मत मारता म्हणून मातसो हे आशिल्लो बी लोकांमदीं
मनोहर पर्रीकाराक मत मारता हाजे बद्दल भरपूर आशिल्ले. एखाद्या मनशाक मुख्यमंत्र्याक मारता अशें आसूंक शकता, हांव ना म्हणना, पण चड आशिल्ले ते म्हणजे व्यक्ती आणि पार्टी. You could see it from number of selfies I must have taken today. Maybe about 400, not less than that. Then many of you have seen it. So that indicates that therefore there was one voter who came only because he wanted a selfie with me.
म्हणजे 400 च्या तर मार्जिन तुम्ही पक्के म्हणता.
I say that one selfie is 20 votes.